Welcome, awesome people! Learning digital marketing is a journey of curiosity and consistent practice. I started by exploring free resources like blogs on SEO, social media, and email marketing, then dived into hands-on projects like blogging and running small ads to experiment with strategy. For beginners, I recommend starting with free tools like Google Digital Garage or HubSpot Academy to build a foundation, then applying your knowledge through small projects like creating a blog or optimizing social media content. Leverage free tools such as Google Analytics, Ubersuggest, and Canva, and join communities on LinkedIn or Reddit to stay updated and connected. Focus on analytics early, as measuring success is crucial. Stay curious, experiment with tools, and build your personal brand through platforms like LinkedIn. Digital marketing's growing opportunities make it worth the effort, so start small, track your progress, and embrace learning every step of the way. So, check out the link in description for more. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.